Good evening, students. Welcome to Byju's Exam. In today's session, I will continue the same topic, profit and loss. As I started in the last class, I explained about profit and loss. I told you how to find out profit percentage. I told you how to find out loss percentage. I told you how to find out discount percentage as well. So today I will continue the same, but a brief about the last class basic, only the basic part, just 2 minutes. Profit percentage, everybody should know that profit percentage is profit upon cost into 100. Profit upon cost into 100. Loss percentage is equal to loss upon cost into 100. Profit percentage is profit upon cost into 100. Loss percentage is loss upon cost into 100. Okay, 2 points clear. Now come to discount percentage. This is equal to discount upon mark into 100. Profit percentage is profit upon cost into 100. Loss percentage is loss upon cost into 100. Discount percentage is discount upon mark into 100. 3 points you will have to remember every time. The question will be simple once you will understand these 3 points. Parallel to the questions, you will understand better. Okay. Many students have joined the session yet. Sarim, Bhaskar, Kushi, Ashwari, Ram, Indrajit, Rishika, Anju, Rahul, Raji, Ajay, Ravina, Raji, Rajyam. Good evening to everyone. So should we start the session? Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Okay. Let's come to this one now. Everyone, come to this example now. A option, absolutely right. A man purchased some articles in 45,500 rupees. He sold 7 by 9 of the article at 10% profit. He sold 7 by 9 of the article at 10% profit. What percent profit should he sell the remaining articles to get 8% profit overall? So one thing is clearly visible. He sold 7 by 9 articles. 7 by 9 articles. So it means total there are 9 articles. Sold are 7. There are 9 total articles. 7 are sold. So 2 articles are remaining. 2 articles are remaining. Is this clear? Out of total 9 articles, 7 are sold. So remaining are 2 articles. Okay. Remaining are 2 articles. 7 articles were sold at 10% profit each. 7 articles were sold at 10% profit each. So it means total profit is 70%. So remaining 2 articles were sold at P% profit, which you are supposed to find out. So 2%. So overall, 9 articles sold at 8% profit. 9 8s are 72%. Okay. So P% is equal to 72 minus 70. 2 by 2 is 1%. That is it. Okay. This is clear now. Everybody tell me fast. 1% profit overall. For the remaining 2 articles. Everybody, if you were there in the last class and if you have revised the last class, it was one of the example I explained. If you were there, if you have not revised, just go and revise. The last question was there. So Salim Khan, please listen again. Mr. Salim Qureshi, just listen again. If you're not able to understand, just listen. The man sold 7 by 9 of article, mean to say out of 9, 7 articles were sold. Those 7 articles were sold at 10% profit each. That is given. 7 10s are 70. Remaining how much articles? Out of 9, if 7 are sold, so remaining are 2. 2 were sold at P% profit. So overall, 9 were sold at 8% profit. So 9 8s are 72%. So overall 72% profit is required. Already 70% profit has been done. So how much is left? P% profit. 2 articles, P% profit, 2% is what? 2 by 2. It means remaining 2 articles were sold at 1% profit each. Okay. So let's come to next. Everybody, let's come to the next example. This is very simple. You just need to read the statement carefully and tell me what will be the answer. Read the question carefully because this is not difficult. Understand the meaning of question. Very good, Ishwari. C option is right. Almost everybody was getting the right answer. Good. The first statement, it is saying 2 chairs plus 3 tables is equal to 925 rupees. If there are 2 chairs, 3 tables, total value 925 rupees. If there are 3 chairs, 2 tables, the total value is 1075 rupees. Okay. If there are 3 chairs, 2 tables, total value 1075 rupees. If 2 chairs, 3 tables, 925 rupees. So if you will subtract these 2 statements, you will get 3C minus 2C is C, 3T and 2T is T. The gap is equal to 150 rupees. The gap is equal to 150 rupees. Okay. Is the point clear to everyone? 3C plus 2T. 3 chairs, 2 tables. The total value 1075 rupees. 2 chairs, 3 tables, 925 rupees. The gap between these two is 150. That you are supposed to find out. Okay. Chaliye, next example then. Next example, guys. Do it now. C option is right. Everybody, look at this. The cost price is equal to 5 rupees, 6 articles. Then selling price, 6 rupees, 5 articles. Is this clear? 5 rupees, 6 articles, 6 rupees, 5 articles. This is the cost, this is the selling price. If you will make number of articles equal, make multiply with 5, multiply with 5, multiply with 6, multiply with 6. So this will give you 30 articles. The cost is 25 rupees. This is equal to 30 articles. The selling is 36 rupees. Is this clear? Is this clear? Yes or no? Tell me. Tell me. 5 rupees is 6 articles, 6 rupees, 5 articles. So multiply with 5, multiply with 6. So 30 articles, 25 rupees. 30 articles, 36 rupees. So 25 rupees, 36 rupees. This is the cost, this is the selling. So 11 is the cost, 11 is the profit. Upon cost is 25 into 100. 25 fours are, 4 11s are 44%. Is this clear now? Is this clear now? Is this clear now? We will have to make, in this type of questions, make number of articles equal. Make number of articles equal. The cost is 5 rupees, 6 articles. 6 rupees, 5 articles. Make articles equal. Multiply with 5 and 5. Multiply with 6 and 6. 30 articles, 30 articles. 25 rupees, 36 rupees. So 11 is the profit upon 25 into 100. So 44% is the total profit percentage. Is this clear or not? Chaliye, giving you one more example of same type and you will be able to understand. Giving you one more example of same type, you will be able to understand. Just try and do it. Everyone do it. C option is right. Now almost everybody was able to do this. Cost price. This is 10 rupees is the price and 11 articles. This is the cost price. 10 rupees, 11 articles. This is the cost. 10 rupees, 11 articles is the cost. What about selling price? 11 rupees and 10 articles. This is the selling price. Okay. Now I can see 10 rupees, 11 article. This is the cost. 11 rupees, 10 article. This is the selling price. Okay. Now what can I do? I can make them equal. Multiply with 10 and 10. Multiply with 11 and 11. Okay. So make number of articles equal. 100 rupees by 110. 110. This is 121. Okay. Is this clear? Making number of article equal. This is 110, 110. 100 rupees is the cost, 121 is the selling. Okay. So 100 is the cost, 121 is the selling. So this is clearly visible. The only thing I told you that you will have to make number of articles equal. Okay. Indrajit, I don't have any idea. What are you asking? And please concentrate in the class data. That will give you more benefit. So it is better to concentrate on the questions, right? Make number of article equal, multiply with 10 and 10, will give you 110 articles, 100 rupees. Selling, 1 into 10 articles, 121 is the selling price. So 100 is the cost and 121 is the selling. So how much is the profit? 100 rupees cost, 121 is the selling. So 21 is the profit upon cost into 100. So this will give you 21% profit overall. 21% profit overall. Okay. Is this clear? Both questions same. So it has become simple now. Now what about this one? Everyone tell me fast. One more example, but this one is better than the previous questions. I mean to say better question, mean to say that in this question something more addition has been done. A option is right, okay, but maximum students are not able to do. So I need to explain. What about cost? The first, he purchased 2 times. First time he purchased 10 rupees, 11 articles. Second case, 10 rupees, 9 articles. Okay, just give me 1 second. Students, this is quite urgent. Give me just 1 2 minutes. 1 minute. I'll have to keep the class on hold. Don't leave the class. Give me just 1 2 minutes. It was something urgent call from the office and I was supposed to take because of uh, hello guys. It was something urgent call from the office and I was supposed to take because of some urgent reason. So sorry for that, but I'll continue the session now. With the voice is training just half of it. Is the voice clear now? Is the voice clear now? Okay, that's great. Now come to the question again. The question is saying the man purchased some coffees at the rate of 11 and 10 rupees. So there are two cost prices. The first cost price, this is 10 rupees and 11 articles. Then come to cost price 10 rupees and 9 articles. Okay, 10 rupees 11 articles, 10 rupees 9 articles. So make number of articles equal. Multiply with 9, multiply with 9, multiply with 11, multiply with 11. So this is equal to 99 articles and 90 rupees. So this is equal to 99 articles and 110 rupees is the cost. So this is the one thing, because same number of articles he purchased, same number of toffees he purchased. A man purchased some toffees at the rate of 11 and 10 rupees, and he again purchased the same number of toffees at the rate of 9 and 10 rupees. So number of articles must be equal because he used the word same. So initially and then second time, two times he purchased, both times number of articles must be equal. Multiply with 9 and 11 will give you number of articles equal. 99 articles, 99 articles. You got 90 rupees, 110 rupees. So total cost is how much? Total cost is how much? 200 rupees. Total articles is equal to 198. 198. Total cost is 200. Total articles it is 198. Okay. Total articles 198. Okay. Now what? All articles sold at 1 rupee each. So 198 articles sold at 198 rupees. Is this clear now? Because 198 articles sold at 198 rupees because one article at 1 rupee each. So guys, 200 is the cost and 198 is the selling. This is the total cost. This is the total selling. So overall there is a loss. So loss percentage, loss is clearly visible. If article purchased in 200 rupees and sold in 198 rupees, so clearly visible 2 rupees loss upon cost is 200 and 200. So loss percentage is 1%. That is it. Okay. Okay. Is the point clear now? Let's move to next. Now, do it now. Giving you 30 seconds or 1 minute. Do it. 1 minute given to you. Just make it fast. B option is absolutely right. Everybody now listen. You will have to take, let cost price of 1 gram is equal to 1 rupee. Cost price of 1 gram is 1 rupee. So cost price of 800 gram is equal to 800 rupees. I can let just one thing first. Cost price of 1 gram is 1 rupee. So cost price of 800 gram is 800 rupees. So cost price of 1000 gram is 1000 rupees. Okay, cost price of 1 gram is 1 rupee, 800 gram is 800 rupees, 1000 gram is 1000 rupees. So if a shopkeeper is there and their customer is there and customer is going to the shopkeeper, he is asking for 1 kilogram, means 1000 gram should be given to him. But the shopkeeper is saying, that he is giving 1000 gram, but giving only 800 gram. So what you say, what should be the total cost? If somebody is giving 800 gram, so 800 rupees should be the cost. If he is saying that he is giving 1000 gram, it means he is charging 1000 rupees. If 1000 gram is, he is saying he is giving 1000 gram, so he will charge for 1000 rupees, 1000 gram, which is 1000 rupees. But he is giving 800 gram, it means the cost is for sure 800 rupees. This is the cost, this is the selling. So how much is the profit? The profit is 200. What about cost? Cost is 800. Multiply 100. 2 4s are 425. Sir. This is the profit percentage. B option is right. B option is right. Everybody can do. Okay. So listen, everyone. Have you taken the screenshot of this? Mr. Yeda, what is your query? But if I'm discussing, this question is not clear. The last question was not clear. Mr. Yeda, what happened, beta? Okay, Mr. Yeda, just listen. CP is 1000, not 800. Okay. Okay, if you are going to take 800 gram, if you are a businessman and you are giving 800 gram, the businessman is giving 800 gram, na? So it should be the cost. If he is saying that he is giving 1 kilogram, so he is selling the article by saying this is 1 kilogram, isn't it? Everybody please confirm. I am giving you the public view. Everybody confirm. If shopkeeper is giving 800 gram, so this is the cost. But if he is charging for 1000 grams, this is the selling. So 200 is the benefit, 200 grams is the benefit, and benefit is always on the cost. Into 100. So this is the profit percentage, isn't it? Tell me fast. This is overall profit percentage. Is this clear? Now, clear, 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 clear. Okay, great. That's good. That's good. Take it. Clear, everyone? Okay, clear to you also. Great. In this question, if you are asking, beta, I told you, if this question is saying itself, same number of article. So same number of article mean to say, if there are 11 article, there are 9 article. First make number of articles equal. First make number of articles equal. So multiply with 9, multiply with 11 will make number of articles equal. Isn't it? Isn't it? Mr. Hira, please confirm. If you ask some doubt, please confirm. Parallel, you will have to answer. Make, because they are saying CP is 10 by 11, so multiply with 10. Beta, number of articles equal. It is not about cost. Cost is 90, cost is 110. Cost will be different. It is not about cost is same. You will have to understand the meaning of question. Same number of toffees. This is toffee. This is toffees. So toffees must be equal, not cost. I have made toffees number equal. That the question is saying 99, 99. Guys, one thing I would like to say, you will have to read the question carefully. If you are not reading the question, one thing you are not able to answer. The other thing you are not reading the question carefully. This is a big mistake. That's why it is going to waste your time. So I can cover more things. I can give you more things. But because of your, if you will not read the question carefully, so there is a wastage of time. So this is my suggestion to everyone. Everybody read the question carefully. If you are able to answer, very good. If you are not able to answer, very, very good. Just read the question carefully such that if I will explain, you should know the statement first. If you don't understand the meaning of question, so until you will not read it, you will not understand. If you will not understand, then you will not understand the explanation as well. So my suggestion, now do this question. I always try to give you 2 questions of same type such that practice is also there. So guys, tell me fast. 30 seconds again given to you for this question. Make it fast. Tell me what will be the right answer. Tell me. No. If you will read the question carefully, you will understand the meaning. If you don't understand, just read the question twice. Even question is not difficult. If you will read carefully, you will understand for sure. D option is absolutely right. Don't be confused and don't make things complicated. Things are quite simple. Make it simple. Just I'm giving you 30 seconds to solve the question. If you're able to do, good. Not able to do, read the question once. Read the question twice. And if, in fact, when I used to explain, I used to read the question in a way that you should understand the meaning of the question first. So if you will read it, it will be clear. When I will explain, you will better understand. Okay. So come to the next question now. A dishonest dealer is giving just very close to 4, but not 4. Very, very much close to 960 gram he is giving, charging for 1000 gram. So this is the cost. This is the selling. So 40 is the profit upon 960 into 100. So this is giving you 4, 1 by 6%. If they will ask, if they will write approx word, then you could answer 4%. That is not an issue. But they will never write. They will never write. For this question, they will never write. Because many students used to take 40 by 1000 into 100 and they are getting 4%. So this is a blunder students used to make. Because profit or loss, it is always the profit or loss, it is always on cost. This is profit, this is cost into 100. Okay. Clear. That's great. Let's move to next. Let's come to the next. Read it. Make it fast. D option is right. Very good. The article sold at 45,500. Profit of 20% is there. If cost increase 50%, selling increase 40%, what will be the total profit percentage? So first of all, let's take the cost of article. Let cost price of article as 100 rupees. Let cost price is equal to 100 rupees. If cost price is 100 rupees, article sold at 20% profit. So profit will be 20. So article sold at 20 rupees. If cost is 100 rupees, profit is 20%. It's clear. If I'm letting the cost as 100, profit is 20%, profit will be 20, so article sold at 120. Now what? If we have assumed the cost is 100, the selling will be 120. If cost increase by 50%, so cost will be 150. If selling increase by 40%, so selling increase by 48, so this will give you 168. Okay? Cost is 100, selling will be 120 because profit is 20%. If cost increase by 50%, it will be 150. Selling increase by 40%, it will become 168. Because beta, Mr. Salim, selling increase by 40%. The question is same. Selling increase by 40%. Selling is 120. Increase by 40%. 120 ka 40% will give you 48. I have increased. So this is the new selling. This is the new cost. Okay. So we got the cost is there, the selling is there. Tell me everyone. Now you do it. Everyone do it. Tell me this is the new cost. This is the new selling. What will be the profit percentage? Tell me fast. Profit percentage. Profit upon cost into 100. Everybody answer is must. Cost is there. Selling is there. Tell me the answer. Huh? Very good. Very good. Very good. 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 Don't copy and write. If you understand, then right. Profit will be 150 rupees cost, 168 selling, so 18 is the profit, 150 is the cost into 100. 50 3s are 50, 2s are 3, 6 are 6, 2s are 12. So 12% is the total profit. That's it. Okay, but let's move to next. One more example of same type and do it now. One question of same type. Again, do it. D option is right. Good. If I will take cost as 100, very good, Rishika, very good. Getting the right answer. Cost is 100, selling will be how much? If article sold at 15% profit, profit is 15%. So article sold at 115 rupees. If cost is 100, selling will be 115. If cost increase by 30%, if cost increase by 30%, cost will be 130. If selling increase by 20%, 115 increase by 20% means 23 is the increase. You can easily find out. So selling will be 130 in this case. So 130 is the cost, 138 is the selling, 130 is the cost, 138 is the selling. So 8 is the profit, 130 is the cost into 100. So 80 by 13, 80 by 13. 6 to by 13% is the overall profit. Same question as of previous. Mr. Hira, if last question was clear, this should be done by you. And the question is very, very simple now, as I have explained. Because profit is 15% beta. If cost I have taken as 100, selling will be 115. If 15% profit, it means 100 rupees article sold in 150. Now cost you will have to increase, selling you will have to increase. Cost will be there, selling will be there. Profit percentage you can easily find out. Cost increase 30% means it will become 130. Selling increase 20% means it will become 138. 130, 138. So 8 is the profit upon 130 into 100. So 80 by 13 into 100. So 6 to by 3% is the profit percentage. That's it. अरे बहुत बढ़िया सारी sure for sure. Come to the next example now. Let's come to the next question now. My approach is more logical. Then I don't use X method. I don't use formula based things. Sometimes you will have to use, not every time. Maximum times I use to ignore. Okay, come to this. A option is absolutely right. Everybody know whether there is a loss, whether there is a profit. It is always on cost price. It is always on cost price. There was a loss of 10%. Now there is a profit of 20%. So there is a gap of 30%. Okay. So there is a gap of 30%. Whatever the cost is there, if 10% loss and 20% profit is there are two situations. One, there is a loss of 10%. Other, there is a profit of 20%. The gap of 30% is there. So cost price ka 30% is equal to 78 rupees. Okay. Yes, Mr. Gira. 120 will be there, 90 will be there, the gap of 30% is there. So whether profit or loss, it is always on cost. So cost price 30% gap. It is because of 78 rupees. He sold article 78 rupees more. That's why this 30% gap created. Because in the first case, it was 10% loss. If sold at 78 rupees more, then profit of 20%. So because of this 78 rupees, there is a gap of 30% created. So cost price ka 30% is 78. 78 by 30 into 100. 326 is 260 rupees is the cost. That's it. A option is right. Everybody. Okay. A option, absolutely right. Okay. Clear. Chaliye, let's come to next. One more example has been given to you. Tell me what will be the right answer. Now 30 seconds given to you. Everybody will answer this question. Everybody will answer this question. Tell me. 30 seconds more than sufficient for this question now. 15 seconds is sufficient. Once you will practice. There was a loss of 4%. There is a profit of 10%. A option is right. Everybody clear by this? Everybody clear by this? There was a loss of 4%. There is a profit of 10%. So how much is the gap? Whether profit or loss, it is always on cost. Whether profit or loss, it is always on cost. The gap of 14% will give you 84 rupees. Whether profit or loss, it is always on cost. 14% gap is 84. 14, 6 is 84. So 600 is the cost. Come to this one now. C option is right. What will be the profit percentage of article sold at exact selling price if there is a loss of 50% when sold at one third of original selling price, when sold at one third of original selling price? I will tell you, whatever the cost price is there. Let's suppose if cost is 100 rupees, article sold at 50% loss. 50% loss is there. Article sold in 50 rupees. 100 is the cost, 50% is the loss. So article sold at 50 rupees. When article was sold at one third of original selling price, then there was a loss. So you will have to understand the same thing when the loss is there. If 100 rupees is the cost, 50% is the loss, 50 is the profit, 50 is the selling price. One third of the original selling price the article is sold. So original selling price is how much? Original selling price. Article sold at one third of original selling price. Then there was a loss. If there is a loss of 50%, article sold at 50. But loss is when article sold at one third of selling price. It means this is one third of original selling price. Then there is a loss. Article sold at one third of original selling price. This is one third of original. One third of original is 50. So original will be 150. So 100 is the cost, 150 is the selling. So 50 is the profit upon 100 into 100. So 50% is the profit. 50% is the profit. Okay. 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 Just take the screenshot at least first. I know this question is language is a bit confusing. So one time you will not understand. Second time it will be clear to you for sure. For sure it will be clear to you. And when I give you one more example of same time and you will understand. Okay. Chaliye. What they are saying, there is a loss of 50%. What do you say if cost is 100? Loss of 50%. It means article sold at 50 rupees, yes or no? Yes, great. Everybody understand this point. If there is a loss of 50%, 100 is the cost. If I'm taking, if cost of article is 100 rupees, 50% loss is there. So article sold in 50 rupees, that's it. What about the original selling price? What they are saying, when the loss is there, when article sold at one third. Whatever the original price is there, whatever the original selling price is there, article sold at one third of original selling. Article sold at one third of original selling price. And sold in how much? You better know. When the loss is there, when article sold at one third of original selling price. Original selling price के one third पर article क्या हुआ? Sale हुआ. So original selling price, tell me what will be the value? Yes, one third of original is 50. So original will be 150. One third of original is selling. If you will put selling as 50, sold 50 into 3, 150 will be the original. Okay. Yes, now 100 rupees is the cost, 150 is the original selling. So 50 is the profit, 100 is the cost into 100. Profit by cost into 100. This is the original selling now. This is the cost. So 50 is the profit upon 100 into 100. So 50% is the profit. That's it. C option is right. Got it? Giving you one more example, you will understand better. I can challenge. Do it. Try this one. Everybody can do this now, at least. Yes, yes, yes. Good, Rishika. Good, beta. Good, good, good. 68% has given the right answer. This is great. Article sold at 30% loss. 100 rupees article sold in 70, obviously 30% loss. So original selling के 1/2 पर इसको बेचा गया. Article sold at 1/2 original. So 1/2 is 70. So original will be 140. So 100 rupees article, if sold at original, so there will be profit of 40%. Yes, don't answer in the live chat until the poll is not done. Okay, because others will get the idea. Yes. Let's come to next example now. Do this one. Just read the question carefully. I will make this question for sure very, very simple. Just read the question carefully. That's it. Don't be afraid. This is a very simple question. Don't be afraid. Very good. At least 30%, 31% are able to answer. Okay, just listen. Tell me, think like a businessman. Don't be afraid of this question. Businessman purchased 50 kilogram and he purchased at 15.5 rupees per kg. Okay. And the complete was sold in 14.9. Obviously, the first one also. So how much is the loss? Can you find the loss? This much is the loss, isn't it? 50 kg. 15.5 rupees per kg. The first 50 kg was purchased. Complete was sold at 14.9. It means this one also, isn't it? Now come to remaining 60 kg. This one is the first. What about second one? The other one is 60 kg. This one also sold in 14.9 rupees per kg, but purchased in 14.5 rupees per kg. So how much is the gap? This much is the profit. In this case, it is a profit. These 2 points clear to all of you, yes or no? Tell me. There are 2 things. First, he purchased 50 kg. This 50 kg. Listen, this figure is 50 kg. 50 kg purchased in 15.5, but sold at 14.9. So 60 paisa, 0.60 rupees per kg is the loss. What about this one? 60 kg. Purchased in 14.5, sold in 14.9. So profit of 40 paisa or 0.40 rupees per kg, isn't it? 60 kg explain, no need to explain. This is written. Rishika. 50 kg, 60 kg written. No need to explain. Okay? Okay, beta? Chale, good. Now, if 0.60 rupees per kg is the loss, but there was 50 kg at 0.60 rupees per kg is the loss. So how much is the loss? 30 rupees loss, yes or no? 50 kg is the article, 0.60 rupees is the loss. So 30 rupees is the overall loss, yes or no? Now what? 60 kg, 0.40 rupees is the profit. So how much is the profit? 24 rupees is the profit. So in the first case, 30 rupees loss. In second case, 24 rupees profit. So overall, 6 rupees loss. That is it. Solution. Note down. Yes, Jasmine. Very good. Jasmine. This is right. Okay, everybody. My 0.60 rupees per kg is the loss. 50 kg, how much is the loss? 15 to 0.6. 30 rupees is the loss. Now 0.40 rupees is the profit. 60 kg was there. So 0.40 into 60, 24 rupees is the profit. 24 profit, 30 loss, overall 6 rupees loss. That's it. No need to multiply 15 to 15, 60 to 14.5, then 110 into this, 10 subtract. No need to do that. This is more than sufficient to approach this way. Okay, and this is more than sufficient for today's session as well. You revise it. My suggestion: if you want to make yourself strong in maths, you must revise it. Because as the topics will increase, as the topics will come one by one. If you have not revised anything yet, my personal suggestion: start from profit loss. Just leave the previous topic. Start from profit loss today itself and revise it. You will feel awesome. This chapter is easy, but percentage is hard. Okay, no issues. Just leave percentage better. Just think about this topic. Revise profit loss will give you more benefit. Okay. So thank you guys. See you in the next class. This is enough for today. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care. Bless you all. Yes, one more thing. I'm taking sessions on YouTube on English medium channel, SSC and Railway YouTube channel. Right? You're most welcome there. English medium channel. And now, Mr. Yeah, this is not allowed. I discussed with one of the person. They said, no, this is not allowed. So I cannot share it. I cannot share my personal. Okay. Yes, in course link that is for sure. Session timing 8 o'clock, daily 8 p.m. Okay, guys. See you next class.